Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, today we are going to discuss the topic which is in your session today, that is classification of linear second order partial differential. Please write the topic, classification of linear second order partial differential equations in two variables. What you have written, please, I am repeating again. Classification of linear second order partial differential equations in two variables. This is the topic we are going to discuss today. I am sharing the screen. Let us see partial order differential equation, partial order linear partial order differential equation. We will examine here the simplest case of equations with two independent variables. A few examples of second order linear partial differential equations in two variables are, you can note this: a square uxx is equal to ut. This is one dimensional heat conduction equation. The next is a square uxx is equal to utt, one dimensional. This is wave equation. Uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. This is two dimensional Laplace, or you can say potential equation. In this class, we shall develop a method known as method of separation of variable and to solve the above type of equations. So classification of second order linear partial differential equation, that is the part of discussion for today. Let us consider the generic form of second order linear partial differential equation in two variables with constant coefficient as a uxx plus b uyy plus c uyy plus du plus euy plus fyu is equal to gxy. For the equation to be second order, small a small b, and a small c cannot be 0. They all cannot be 0. Let us define its discriminant as b square minus 4ac. The properties and behavior of its solutions are largely dependent of its type as classified here. You know that in your quadratic equation, when you find d, then you discuss the nature of the roots of the equation when d is greater than 0, d equal to 0, or d less than 0. Here, if you write here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you say that this is hyperbolic. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, this is parabolic. B square minus 4a is less than 0, then this is elliptical. The Laplace equation is one such example. Now, you can see here an example by considering one dimensional damped wave equation as 9uxx plus utt plus 6ut. So, students, I hope that you are getting me, and I will share this material to you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the comment box.